Skating LLC is back after only 6 days of working. But guess what? I go right back to work a few hours after opening this box. Let's see. Thank y'all for showing up again. If you're new, welcome. I'm not the best YouTuber in the world. These are not the best boxes in the world. There are some awesome finds. I do have 5 more of these in the back of the bedroom right now. Oh, there's that smell. No, I didn't open on the bottom so I could fill it up. I just don't want y'all to see my dad's address. There we go. Come on. There. I don't know why the pen was there, but okay. Guess we didn't need a knife after all. We just got one of these in the last box. I haven't looked it up yet. Or 2 boxes ago, that's right. I think that's an Audi, a TC. Someone else can have it. And just to make things more simpler, all flat cars, this is basically what they look like. All of these are going straight into the trash. We're not even gonna mess with them. Let's see. Lamborghini, Green Barrier, flat car by Jaru. Broken, that's broken. Tootsietoy. That's right, I was gonna make a. Oh, I'll just put it in the box. Deal with it later. These cards are the QR codes. I still have never looked up the QR codes. Probably never will. So, those are just trash. What in the tarnations is this? It's a matchbox. What this matchbox is supposed to be? Not a clue. Bent wheel. I'm definitely not keeping that one. Oh, that's pure junk. Oh, good little junkyard. Have a junkyard set up. I keep that for a junkyard setup. I don't know. Hope there's better ones in these boxes. You already know the Green Barrier dollar store junk. I have a box set up over here. I'm going to rob the wheels off all these. No one else really wants these things. They're beat up. But the wheels seem to always hold up. So, the wheel box. Summer Mills product. It's the one that you can't fix. Pantera. It's got a good body. Good windshield. So, I guess this one's going to have to be for parts. I hope that's not what this whole thing is. I forget who makes these, but this one still has all the bottles. It's connected, so I'll keep that one since it's complete. Any more of those that's not complete, I'm gonna give up. Let's see, a TC with bent wheels. Yeah, we don't keep those. Another plasticky fire truck. Don't need it. Some more dollar store BS. Don't need it. Oh, wheels good? Nah, I don't want these wheels. Here goes a keeper. Matchbox. Or it's either the Matchbox or the fake Matchbox. It's been broke up here with the GMC. I got another African Safari one, but this was definitely different. Maybe we can find out who makes these by looking at that one. So you know what? I'm going to give that one a heart. Even though it's got one big dent back there. Yeah, that's worth a heart. Speed Racer. He's already got a few. Die Reborn, my buddy, has already got a few of these, so he probably don't want that. Another one of these Zelmex. Right, Zelmex? D101, I'm pretty sure that's Zelmex. I'll keep it. See what goes on. We got a made in China Jeep. I don't need that Jeep. Still in nice condition. Someone else can have it. Flat car, throw away. BS car, no one wants. Flat car, broken flat car, throw away. That one's completely tore up. All the wheels are bent. The hood's bent up. So I'm going to have to say that's trash. Unfortunately. We've seen a few of these in these boxes. Don't need it. Don't need that one either. Is that... Yeah, 8106. Whoever makes those. Canton Toys. Canton's not for me. This is a Summers Metal product that's missing the glass. So, don't need that. How did I miss an entire box down there? Here's a keeper. Hong Kong BMW. I need to look those up again, but that's a keeper. Ah, yes. Ah, no. It's broke. I'm still going to keep it. It's an 81 Chevy C10 step side. But it's broke. Junk car. Junk truck that we keep getting over and over again. Another Tootsie Toy. I'm just going to have to get all my Tootsie Toys up. Try to sell them in bulk, I guess. Got so many of these things. Speaking of Tootsie Toys, another one. Oh, this is like the other Jeep. That one actually looks nice to me, but I'm not going to do anything with it. Full of hair. I'm just going to throw that away. Here's a keeper. Majority. It's missing this door. But I'll still keep that one. Just put it in my oversized little lot. It says Ford Transit. Why not? Oh, this box ain't looking too good, is it? Nope. I was trying to read what it said, but I couldn't read it. That one, 2008 Mattel. Oh, Hot Wheels McDonald's. Definitely not for me. I don't keep the wheels neither. Let's see, flat car, nothing on top, trash. CF, okay. Here's my kind of thing. The wheels are definitely weak, so that's going to be a parts. It's got its grill. I got some that are in perfect condition that needs a grill. Take the grill out of this one, you know. There's some that are missing the passenger door. Take the passenger door out of this one. That'd be a good parts car from my favorite brand, CF. Atomico ripoff. See a flat car, we can go ahead and throw away. What am I grabbing? Oh, that's what I'm grabbing. There should be a top somewhere. Huh. High Speed. Number W8 by High Speed. Apparently it has something to do with Chevy. That's definitely a Kenworth T600. That's definitely a keeper for me. Apparently it doesn't come off. Hey, it works. Why not? I'm going to have to sit sideways in here or something. Sitting sideways. What's this? Looks like a Ferrari. I don't have this particular car. I guess I'll keep it. I mean, it's not really fancy or nothing. Nah. Its wheels are chewed up like a rat's been on it. Throw that away. Here goes another High Speed. I can live without that one. Number 302. Let's see. Its wheels are, its whole back end's broke. FedEx, the T2000, a Kenworth Peterbilt combination. This is broke. Let's just do that. Wheels are broke. Those are, nope, those are broke too. Hell, I guess parts. That'll be for parts. Jeep Renegade Play Art. Wheels are pretty much there. I'll keep this Jeep. It's missing this back piece, but Play Art's a pretty good one. Yeah. Flat car. Yeah, those things stupid. Yeah. Well, my box is full of these, ain't they? Little cheetah. I can do. Hey now. It's a Racing Champs, number 8086. I was born in 86, so that's definitely a keeper for me. All it needs is the rubber tires put on, and a grill, and a bumper. Hey, it still got its engine and hood. That's a keeper for me. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah. There we go. Another high speed, completely broken off. Don't need. Here's a Summer Mills product with opening doors. Do I have any Summer Mills product with opening doors? I don't think I do. If I do, I don't remember. It's a BMW. Well, that's a keeper. That's might be rare for all I know. But that's definitely a keeper. Got a Hino. Forget who makes this one. That's a tanker. I got a section just for these tankers. So that's a keeper. BMW. Yeah, I can live without that BMW. Summer Mill product 8005. Let's see. There we go. We got rolling. I'll keep it since it's orange. I don't think I have this one. I know I got it in red. So there's an orange one. This is box number 14, ain't it? Got a hair coming out of the back of it. Let's just throw that away. It's broke up here. Got hair in it. Trash. Let's trash that one too. Oh, flat car. Trash that one too. There goes a Beamer. It was made pretty much poorly. Don't need it. Oh, wow. I got a lion. Excuse me. People around here like lions, so I'll let someone else have that one. Is that a Lotus? I think that's a Lotus. Most likely a Summer Smell product. Yeah, I guess I'll keep that one. Another one of these. Someone else. This is old school, ain't it? Let's see here. There's something in there. What? Boy, that is hard to read. Oh, it's upside down. Tractor shovel. Okay, yeah, but I can't read who it's by, but someone else can have that one. NXX dollar store. These front tires are there. Let's see. There's passenger wheel fixed. There's driver wheel. Now the passenger wheel's fixed. Another T2000, I think. Yeah, Kenworth. Dub City. That's a nice little keeper. Snowmobile. Someone else can definitely have that. It's time of the year for snowmobiles, though. In 2 or 3 days, it's going to be Christmas. Let's see. A midget toy, Rockford. I don't have this one, so I guess I'll keep this one just to have it in the collection. Little midget toy. But if I get another one, it's going in the bye-bye box. Bye-bye-bye. Speaking of bye-bye, Summer Mills product Jeep. Too many of those around. There goes a keeper. Is that play art? Let's see. Nope, it's a Matchbox. Number 54. Cadillac Ambulance. Huh. That is definitely a keeper. Oh, that smell that comes out of these boxes is unique. Ah, that's a trash. That's pure trash. I don't have one with that style bottom. Use it as a file. It's BMW. But we don't need that BMW. We don't need... Well, it's missing the seats. So, we found one with seats. Yeah, I guess that'd be a parts car, and when we find one with seats, it's by Zelmex D72. So that's parts. Flat car with a fish for some reason. Trash. Yep. You know we don't keep those. Even though it's got the little guy sitting in it. Hey, cool police car. Made in Hong Kong. It rolls, but not the best. Doors don't open. It's definitely a rip-off from somebody. Don't know who makes that, but it's all metal. Bottom, top, and the lights. I gotta research that one. That's a keeper. Ooh, it's on my back. Canton toys. Although this is the Chevy that we collect, I am done collecting Canton. Don't need that. Flat Porsche. Although that's a really good condition flat Porsche by Canton. That's just trash. Another Canton toys. Flat. Broken. That's pieces are falling off of that one. Whoa, what is this? It's a load lifter by Matchbox. Oh, it's probably missing the crane that goes there. Yeah, let's just throw that one away too. Another one of these stupid things. Yep. Mercedes. Don't know this one, but definitely not a keeper for me. Hey, there's a keeper. The Chevy. Yeah, that one's Chevy. C30 truck. That's probably a real toy, but I could be wrong. That's definitely a keeper. And that car just fell apart in my hands. Yep, pure trash. Some kind of flat thing, but it's got cool rims. It's a dump truck by Matchbox. Can we keep those rims for something? Yeah, I'm going to take those tires off and put them on like a Chevy or something. Yeah, rob the tires. Something missing that's engine. So, let's just call that one trash. That looks familiar. D62, so probably Zelmex or somebody. Z or Zelmex, but that's just not what I collect. Fire rescue, we've seen those before. BMW, made in China, so that's possibly a Willie. I'm definitely keeping that one. That's a neat little collar to it. Let's see. These one with the K's on the bottom, they're just pure plastic junk. Hey, Tomica, not Tomica, I'm sorry, that's a... Oh, while we're here, there goes the roof to somebody. High speed. I just said the name of them a while ago. I'll get back to it. Tootsie Toy. There we go, Tootsie Toy. I ain't seen that Tootsie Toy before, but it's going with the rest. There's a TC Lancia. Someone else can have that one. Lamborghini. In my garage, I have my Lamborghinis. It's poorly made. Someone else can have that one. You already know we've seen too many of these green barriers, full curves. That's a metal bottom. That's kind of a unique little thing, but I don't need that. Not what we're collecting. Now this one's alright. Number 8104, so that must be Summer Mel's product also. I know this don't go on it, but let's just Give it a whirl. Yeah, I'll keep that one. I got a zebra. Is that a Ferrari Testarossa? Whatever it is, don't need it. Volkswagen Beetle. But hey, this says a name on it. King Fun? Kin's Fun. Rollback. We don't need that. Let's see. Yeah, don't need that. How am I missing? There. One of those. Don't need it. Summermost product. Lancia. Really don't need that one. I see a Summermost product that I do going to keep. That's good, Pantera. You can't drive 55. Here you go. What is this? Some kind of van looking thing. Don't need it. Summer's Metal product. It's the ones that you can't fix. It is a Ferrari though, with a good window. I guess parts car. The one with a K on it, so let's just throw it away. Some kind of BMW. I can live without that one. One of these things, Grand Prix. Don't need it. See something metal here. Ooh. Unfortunately, this one's too far gone. It's got parts that I don't want. So let's just throw that away. Flat car, broke. Throw away. One of these, we got plenty of these now. So Ford F-150. Move on. Very flat. Jeep. Summer Metal product. Wheels are broke. Trash it. Somebody here. Okay, I'll keep this one. Some kind of brown Ford. What, F800? I believe. Or F8000. One of the two. That's pretty neat. I'll keep that one. Dune Buggy. By tootsietoy. Huh. What? Dune Bug. Dim. Oh, someone back in the 80s had that little machine where you can print out labels. That's actually a little time capsule, ain't it? I'll keep it because that's a time capsule with that stuff on it. I know most people nowadays don't even know what that is. See, Corvette. I can live without that Corvette. Real flat Jag. Trash it. We got plenty of these, so I'm moving these down the line. Summer's Metal product. Little Chevy van. Flat car with a K on it. Trash it. Flat car. Trash it. These things. Pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Summer Metal product. I got plenty of these, so pass it. Oh, who in the world is this? Hang on, it says something here. Merriweather Marquis Series 3 Fire Engine. Oh, Lindsay. Must be a Matchbox. But that is far gone, ain't it? Someone else can enjoy that one. Now this is all play art, no wonder. Mustang. Front wheels broke. One day I can fix the front wheels, but that is definitely a keeper. If the front, actually all the wheels, if the wheels were better condition, I would put that in the heart. Little play art. What was that, 66, 67, something like that? That's a keeper. Another one of these. Atomica. There we go. Fair Lady. Nissan Fair. Oh yeah, 240. Copyright 1975. Doors open. Both doors are there. Nice little Atomica. It's a little bit beat up. Not quite worth a heart. What is going on back here? Glue or something back there. Probably gum. We got high speed number 9087. I ain't got a 9087. Is it all there? I'm guessing Yep, I guess I'll keep me a 1987. Let's just double check. Yeah, that don't go with that. More of these. This China, military, someone else. Get that over. Yeah, someone else. There goes a Chevy. Was that the Apache? Ken's Fun. Yeah, I can do without that. That one's broke and kind of flat, so trash it. Trash it. Here we go. K2, it's a Motor Max. XL Max, new Motor Max. Got both his headlights. Is that a Pete or Freightliner? I think that's a Freightliner. They use the same hood as a Kenworth, but I do believe that is a Freightliner. That's a keeper. Got both the stacks. Unusual. Someone else can have that one. Someone else can have this one. We already got one over there, don't we? Air Force or something. Someone else can have that big old thing. Flat car, trash it. Oh, the DLC, yeah. That's a name brand that no one cares about. What are these things? More flat cars. That one's beat up, ain't it? Trash it. A snowplow. The Husky. Well, I think I'm going to keep me the Husky snowplow. You don't see that every day. I never even heard of this one. It don't move, though, but a little Husky. Probably an auto car, ain't it? Yeah. I think I was just told yesterday or the day before auto cars are just old Volvos or something. 328 win. Yep. When you're not a winner, give me 8. You're winning there, and I guess it did win, isn't it? Yep, don't need it. That one's broke. We can do without this one. Yeah. Yep, don't need it. Not even. Oh, that is completely tore up. Wait, no one wants that. Tootsietoy Porsche. Someone else. Here goes, what is that, a Toyota? It says COU 11S or something? Matchbox. Okay. Some kind of Matchbox. I really don't need it. I'll determine later if I'm going to keep this one or not. It's kind of neat. It's definitely been played with. It was well loved at one point. There goes a Porsche. A Yapming. Possible Yapming Porsche. Really tore up, but I'll keep it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, something stupid. All these itty bitty things. Nope. Some kind of van. Nope. A boom bug. D106, so most likely a Zelmex. Yeah, I don't think that we won't even want that one. A flat jag. It's still rollable, so I'll let someone else have that one. Flat car, nope. Oh, presidential limo. I think this is the second one we got of these. Mercedes-Benz. Doors don't open. Yeah, that's a keeper. Put that on the side. It's in my truck. Porsche. No. Tootsietoy tanker. Nope. Oh. Oh. Hello. What is this? K5 Z-Toys. Let me get the hair. A Z-Toys. I mean, it's technically all there. It's a little bent. That is a Kenworth, yeah. That's a K100, I believe. COE. That's a keeper. All rolls. Cool. Dollar General. 1503. That's a Yatming? Well, if it was complete being a Yatming, I would keep it, but it's not complete, so nah. Tootsietoy. Nah. Some kind of Chevy. But we don't need that. A wannabe Batmobile? Don't need it. Flat car. Piece of junk. Why is there a magnet glued? Hang on here. There's something going on with this. A Scion FRS. Made in City. Huh? RMZ City? What? I don't know what the heck this thing is supposed to be. Palm Springs, California. So it's probably going around a track. But it's a rollback. That is weird. We're not going to keep that. Alright, we got a Yatming. Missing parts of it. So we'll let this Yatming go on by. BMW. Summer Mill product. I'll keep this one. Why not? We don't have much keepers down there, do we? Now this is something. Is it upside down? Shot. Something May. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm worried about it. Summer Mill product Jeep. Got too many of them. Porsche. Don't need that one. Small car. Corvette. Summer Mill product. Don't need that one. tootsietoy. High speed. Actually. That's... Nope. Don't go on that one either. D91. That might be a Motor Max. Look how cheaply made. That's a Ferrari, so I'll keep this Ferrari. Sorry if this one isn't interesting. I can't pick and choose what goes in the boxes, you know. Technically I could, but I'm not that kind of person. A Bedford band. Most likely a Willie. I'll keep that one. Matchbox. Jeep. Kind of tore up. Don't need that one. Oh, there it goes. Now this one's a Z-Toy. Z? Yeah. Oh yeah, because the wheels are... Yeah, that's a Z-Toy. Let me show you the difference, you know. This is when Motor Max took over. This is what they originally looked like. You can kind of see there's a little bit of difference. More detailed grille. Let's see. The base is of a better material. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I got one of each. Neat. Alright, got some kind of Mercedes. Yatming. Number 812. That's a keeper. Kind of shiny. I ain't got this high speed. Or is it? No, Summer Mill product. Excuse me. That one's got hair in it and it's broke over here, so let's just toss it. Summer Mill product. What is that? Lancia. Don't need it. Oh, this thing's been squished. Whatever that is. That what that goes to? Nope. Not the right size. That's the high speed. Lamborghini. I don't need that one. Some kind of Chevy. It says Blazer, but it's definitely a Jeep. Don't need that one. Don't need this one. Yeah, Summer Mill product. Don't need that one. A wheel just came off of somebody. Don't need that one. Mazda. Oh, it's broke right here, so let's throw that Mazda away. Tootsie Toy with a piece of the Mazda in it. I ain't got that one. That's definitely a Ford, ain't it? My granddaddy had a Ford like this back in the day. Back wheels are broke, so trash that one. Flat car, trash that one. Come on, give me some good CFs in here. Flat car, trash that one. Tootsie Toy. Boy, too bad I don't collect Tootsie Toys, huh? Let's see. These wheels are rusty and chopped up, so pass that one. Tootsie Toy. Is that El Camino? Okay, I'm going to keep this Tootsie Toy. That might be the Ford version of the El Camino, don't know. Ranchero. Whichever it is, it's pretty cool. I see a tractor. Do you think my tractor's sexy? Let's see. Any name. Just a big long numbers. So someone else can definitely have that. Not my jam. One of these small Chevys that we got plenty of, so we don't need that Summerville product. Dollar store. Yeah, that one don't really. Nope. Another dollar store. Mercedes. Never seen that base before. I think we've seen this one before, but we don't need it. NHRA. That one's broke. Let's just trash that. That's unnecessary. That's horrible looking. Someone else. Another Summerville product. Someone else can have that one. Oh, Summerville product. Someone else can have this. I think that was a Porsche. I hear the landlord's kids at it again. That one's broke. Bulldog. And his wheels are bent, so that was trash. Right, that was trash. That one says something. Let's see. Whoa. Z Shangly toys. Yeah. That's where the wheel came off of. It's a Summerville product, Jeep. But it's not worth fixing. Just roll back. Flat car, broke. Trash it. Oh. There's the Summerville products I do collect. The Volvo. Safety one. You got something here. I don't know. Looks like something off of Star Wars on it. With tractor tires. And the tires are kind of bent. So whatever. Small car. Nope. That stupid little bathtub looking car. Right hand drive. I don't think I have this high speed, but it's missing a headlight. Not Summerville product. So, no. I looked these up before. Honeywell, I think. This tire needs to be fixed, but someone else can have the Honeywell. Nope, don't need that one. Nope. Nope. Hang on now. High speed. I don't have this high speed. Its lights are there. Oh yeah. That one's worth looking up, ain't it? I'm going to keep that one, look it up, put it on the Model Car Collector app. So there goes another high speed for me. And another high speed. That one's, I mean, it's all gone up top. I don't think anyone will be mad if I throw that one away, huh? Flat car, trash it. One of these stupid things, trash it. None of these stupid things, just start trashing those too. I got so many pieces of cars. Some kind of police. Someone else can have that one. Huh. A Humvee. Should I keep it for the wheels? Its windows are gone. Convoy follows. Ah, someone else can have that. There goes the wheel. A tank. by, I don't know who. Is that an Abrams? Should we keep that one? I'll determine at a later date if I'm going to keep that one or not. Nope, don't need it. Lowe's Hot Wheels. Lowe's Hot Wheels, but don't need it. Oh, big old van. Bulldog. The Green Bear International. Don't need it. There's a keeper. Peterbilt. I'll keep that Peterbilt. Missing whatever's on the back. Still keeper. A Matchbox Series number 37. Missing what's on the back. The wheels are straight. I guess I'll keep that one. Boy, it is not many keepers in this one. Dic-Cast model car. I know it's a Dic-Cast model car, but what's your name? Crazy. Well, it's a Ford GT40, so someone else might want that one. Tootsie-Toy. I guess that's the front end. I don't know. That's some kind of reptilian looking thing. I don't know. High Speed. Pretty much broken. So, yeah, trash that one. Tootsie-Toy. Someone else can have that one. That one really don't roll. It's pretty much trash. Summer Mill product. That's the one that you can't fix. Yeah, there's too much wrong with that one. Trash it. Now this is interesting. Ertl. Made in Thailand. What does it says? Izzy. I mean, it's pretty tore up, so it's hard to read. Izzy SX Coupe conversion. I mean, it's kind of. I can put that outside, let it wither, or I can throw it away. Throw it away. Let's see. Now that's a neat looking little van. I don't know if this is bringing back a memory of a childhood something or not. Universal Group Products. Says T560. That's a W. Not, oh shoot! I just put two of these in on the Model Car Collector app. A W925. Whatever it is, it's from 1970, but I'll keep it with the rest of them. It's kind of tore up. Mustang that has a big gap in the hood of that thing, so trash it. Another dollar store. There goes GMC I'll keep. Wheels are good enough. We still don't know who makes these. We know these are Matchbox rip-offs. We don't know who makes these things. I can never find one that's in the package that has a name on it. Or even one in the package. That's a keeper though. Put with the rest of them. Flat car, trash it. That one's, the base is broke on this one, so trash it. And the wheels ain't that good. Someone else. No. This is not a, this might be the Kidco version. I could be wrong. Whoever WS is, I got your toys. A light ride or night ride. Looking like a Kenworth, so I'll keep that one. Another one that's tore up though. Tomica, number 29. A Hino fire engine. 1/125 scale. Missing this ladder. I'll keep this Tomica. This middle axle's bent. Why not? Another one of these. A trailer. Who's that gonna do? Made in China, DKF2. It's been a while since I flipped up the DKF thing. Tootsie Toy here. Just trash that. Whatever that is, trash it. Oh, those wheels are bad, and it's nasty. Trash it. Summer Mill product, Porsche. Don't need that one. Summer Mill product, a rip off. I mean, that is completely ripped off of High Speed. Wheels are bent. Trash it. Summer Mill product, Jeep. That is completely broken everywhere. Trash it. There's a keeper for me, a Yatming, number 1060. So if I find one that's even worse condition, I can put the doors on this one. That would look pretty good with red doors, wouldn't it? Do like one red, one white or something. Yeah, Yatming, Firebird. Call you the Bandit. Another one of these. McDonald's Hot Wheel. Some Mill product. Top's broken off, so let's just get rid of it. That's different. Let's see. Hot Wheels. Plastic car that you put your own decals on, I think, or something. That's... Tootsie Toy. Extremely flat car. Summer Mill product. That one's broke too, so let's just trash it. That really don't spin. The wheels ain't the best. Definitely don't keep that one. Flat car, even though it's shiny, not worth anything. A bottom of a car, not worth anything. Small cart, small cart. Yeah, don't need it. Don't need it. Ferrari. There we go. Here's somebody. Middle, oh, both back axles are kind of bent. It's a Kenworth T600. Missing whatever went on the top. Fuel tanks are underneath. Looking like air tanks. I'll keep it, but I probably won't find out who this one is. Needed the top on that one. Alright, I can already tell by the base of this. As I just said, it's not a Soma, not a UDC. Is that the Kidco? Possible Kidco. 81 Chevy C10 stepside. Soma. That's a Soma, ain't it? I believe that's a Soma. I have to look it up again. But yeah, that's one of my keepers. I mean, we really don't have, we've only got one heart, so that is what I collect, so why not add it to the heart? I drive Fords, but I collect Chevys. Ain't that weird? That's dusty. High Speed, don't need it. These stupid things, dollar store, don't need it. I can see that being a problem. Who makes these? That's a Tootsie Toy. Isn't the wheel supposed to be on the outside? Hang on, is this a manufacturer error? I think, what? No? I don't know. That's. I mean, y'all tell me. Is that supposed to? Aren't the wheels supposed to be on? Well, the things ain't long enough to go on the outside. I'm at a loss on that one. Is that Yatming? Yeah. We don't need this Yatming though. Volkswagen Beetle. TC. Don't need it. Some kind of truck. Don't need it. Oh, big van. I can't see what's over here. I'm leaning over. U.S. Air Force. Possibly a real toy, but I don't need that. Someone else can have that one. Set that one down, though. Kind of good shape. Corvette. Don't know who makes this Corvette, but it's kind of, I ain't got one like this. Kind of different. So I guess I'll keep that one. Some kind of, how does a satellite dish survive all everything this has been through? 96 LGT HK202. I don't know. That's different. Tootsie Toy, I think. A Wedge Dragster. Huh. Different. Piece of junk. Trash it. Woody, piece of junk, trash it. Oh, that is a Lindsay. And if I find one that needs a hood, this would be parts. If I need one that has seats or a hood or engine, I can use that as parts. What is it supposed to be? The Opel Diplomat. Yeah. Why not? Parts. Whew. Okay, we get it. Y'all like music. Because you like music and listen to it loud doesn't mean that you're cool. You know what I mean? Matzio. Unless you made the music yourself. Oh, yes. Yapming. 803. Firebird. Blackbird. These came in a lot of like 50 Yapmings, I think. So 103 Yapmings. That's a keeper. What is this? Oh, this is a broken window to somebody. Can I grab somebody? There we go. Hino fire truck. See, this is what I mean by Kahan. Where'd it go? I know I have it. Where'd it go? There you are. The original, the Chinese knockoffs. Japanese, Chinese. See, they went through the effort of putting extra wheels. I mean, that is a good comparison, ain't it? That's kind of neat to have the comparison. Plastic back end, well, this is all metal back end because they're cheap. See, the roofs are pretty much the same. The hoses are... Okay, so they put this hose on. They just went cheap on that too. And the base, they completely changed. Let's see how the back axle and front axle line up exactly. They put a screw. So that's the difference between Chinese, junk, Japanese, good. Let's see. We got a Jeep. But that's definitely a Tootsie, don't need it. Flat car, don't need it. Flat car, don't need it. Flat car, don't need it. And it's missing a wheel. Tootsie Toy. Don't need it. Ooh. I would keep this one. It's a Racing Champs. Is that supposed to be concrete? Huh. Okay, I'm going to keep this for parts. Because I might come across one that needs this tank or something. So, that's the parts. We just got mainly parts today in this box, didn't we? Corvette. I can put this one in my Corvette collection. A little pink Corvette matches the box. Why not? I should know this one. DKSL01. We don't need this police car, do we? Nah. I'll rob the wheels off of it? Nah, someone else is going to enjoy that one. There's a high speed. It's complete, but I got that one already. So, unneeded. Tootsie Toy. Unneeded. Why didn't they just put it in the bag? I don't know. That's what smells. Oh my goodness. Woo. What? Yeah. That's okay. Tootsie Toy. I think I already saved one of these in a different color. So we don't need that one. Tootsie Toy. Some kind of big owls. It's missing probably a ladder rack. It's definitely a Chevy van. And that went way over there. Tootsie Toy. Alright, yeah, don't need it. Small car, don't need it. Tootsie Toy, Volkswagen, don't need it. Ferrari, don't need that Ferrari with a clown on it. High speed, missing this. Hang on. I think I found this roof. Nope, not the right roof. Don't need it. that's busted completely. So that's just trash. And unfortunately, the very last thing in this whole box, Kenworth K100. That was made in Hong Kong. Universal Products, Group Products. But most likely sold by Kidco. It's a keeper, missing its top stacks. Well, I know this one wasn't the best. They all can't be winners. I see a nasty, hair. That was definitely, I don't know what that goes to, but I'll keep it for something else. So, in the very small recap, box number 14 was really 2 trucks. I'm about to get ready to go see my wife. Drinking. By the way, this wasn't that good. H-E-B pure cane sugar pumpkin. I didn't even read the cream on it before. I don't taste no cream. Definitely fizzes in the mouth. Well, I guess the other win. Hang on, who was this? High Speed. The High Speed was actually probably the biggest win in here. It's missing its top, but hey, what you gonna do, you know? When they come for you. So, there's the pass on, those things. I can't show you my wheels popping ones. And of course, hang on, let's get a good thumbnail here. How about that? I could just take a picture, couldn't I? Oh, it's right there. Might be thumbnail. No, maybe not. Why aren't you focusing, you S20? Hope y'all enjoyed. Probably didn't. But if you made it this far, thank you. And go visit the Model Car Collector app. I'm still number 1 on there waiting for one of y'all to come pass me up. I won't get mad. Off to work I go after I see my wife.